welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I have this eyeshadow tutorial recreation because it is a eyeshadow tutorial from another YouTuber that I seen her video, but I used it for this video because I love her looks and I want to recreate a look. So pretty much, so this is how it looks like. I did use today the James Charles Morphe collaboration right here. I did just receive this today in the mail, so this is what I wanted to do, this type of look and kind of like a review for y'all. So if y'all want to go ahead and see what are my thoughts and how I created this, recreated the look, because I did not create it, recreated this look, then just go ahead and keep on. I'm gonna prime with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in shade 1. This is, you know what, totally forgot. Sister James just said that we're supposed to prime with eyeshadow base. I mean the real eyeshadow base instead of concealer and or the MAC paint pot. But I'm like stuck in right here on this little desk. So sister's not gonna get up. I'm so sorry, but I'll do more tutorials with this palette. But for right now, I'm gonna use whatever I have in hand because I do have the Morphe primer. But girl, I have to get up. Blending it out with the Aoa E104. This is the only one I use to blend out my concealer. I am going to be doing a full face because I have not done a full face on camera in a long time. I did forget that I needed also tape. Oh my lord. So I did get tape because for this look I do need tape. So I'll be using washi tape. I don't remember who sent me this in friend mail. I'm barely using it. It's brand new. Forget who sent it, but I'll be using washi tape. Okay, so I'm gonna be mixing B and this green shade. This is Social Blade. I'm gonna be mixing in both. They do have a little bit of kickback, but that is normal for me for Morphe shadows. Mostly they do have a lot of kickback. I'm gonna be patting that shade onto my eyes. Okay, these do remind me a lot of like the Anastasia palette, the kickback on it. That's what it reminds me of. Okay, so I hope y'all can see everything very well. Y'all do have to put the video on HD in order for the quality to be better. I noticed that since I do record on my phone. I'm sorry. Oh, I am using my Morphe M573. This is the brush that I like to use when I like to do a blown out color. This is kind of like the color that I was wearing yesterday on the eyeshadow that I recreated. Which you just don't have to do it perfectly. You can just, we want this color to pop out of all the colors. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit more of that yellow because I don't want this to be that green. I want it to be like a limey yellowish green. Taking my Morphe M433, I'm gonna be taking that deep green shade, which is Daddy. This one right here in the bottom. I really wanted to do something with that green shade, but if y'all want me to do more looks, let me know in the comments below, because when I saw this palette, just a whole bunch of looks came up to my mind and I really want to recreate a purpley look. So let me know if y'all want to see something like that. But I'm gonna be taking this one straight onto the crease. Wow, okay, this green. Yesterday I was struggling to get a deep green, and holy crap, this green it is. That's pigmented. I'm gonna take a little bit of that black, just a tiny bit, tiny bit, just a tiny bit, and try to deepen up that crease. Now it is time to cut the crease. I mean, if you're a beginner, you can also do this look. I'm a beginner, I could do this look, and the girl that I try to recreate the look from, she is such a pro, and if I can do it, you can do it, because that girl has makeup skill. I'll be taking my Morphe N113. I love this brush for cut creases. If you have hooded eyes, I do too. This brush is amazing for that. So I'm gonna be cutting the crease. I'm trying to find my crease somewhere. My hand is just so shaky. I'm like so nervous for this video. I will be taking a little tiny flat brush, taking Skip. It's so hard to do tutorials and putting the thing back on and whatnot, but it's this bottom shade right here, because I'm holding the palette upside down. I already have cat hairs on my palette, so I'll be taking Skip. Ooh, okay, that is nice. So I'm gonna just oh my god, do y'all see that? Holy crap. I know some of these shades are not even eyeshadows. I know some of them are pigments. I don't remember which ones though, but holy snap, that is pigmented. They do come with 2 orange shades. I think I'm gonna be taking the deepest orange that is here, and that is Rusted, which is this one right here. Because the other one, you know what? No, I'm gonna take 518. I'm gonna be going in with 518, which is this light orangey shade. I'm gonna go in with that one. Let's see how that comes out. And I'm gonna just put it right beside that pink shade. A bigger brush, because that tiny little brush was too much. So I'm gonna be going back in with that shade. I do have to build up this orangey shade just a little bit. And I'm just trying to blend it in with that pink. And with that lime green shade that we were using for our crease, I'm gonna finish filling in the rest of the gap besides that orange shade. Be taking the Morphe E37, which is just a little pencil brush. I'm gonna be taking some of that black and that deep green, and I'm gonna fill in and deepen up my outer corner and try to blend in that lime green shade into the rest of my outer corner. And to clean up also that line, I'm gonna be going in really slowly and try to blend in those shades with the crease. Do our face, since I told y'all I was gonna do a full face. So I need to finish my face, and I'm using the Maybelline Master Blur Stick. I did recently do a review on this stick, so I'll go ahead and leave it in the description box below if y'all want to go ahead and check it out. For foundation, I'll be using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in 128. And to blend it out, I'll be using my Aoa Wonder Blender. My cat decides to invade my video. And I know my foundation right now looks hella light, but trust me, this thing oxidizes, so soon it will look dark. For concealer, I'll be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Golden Beige. I've been loving this concealer. This is my first high-end concealer, and I've been loving the heck out of it. Okay, so for setting powder, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me in shade 10. Contour, I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. Please excuse my cat. She is totally bipolar, so that's why she's all over the place. So for blush, I'll be using obviously my Smashbox blush trio. I'll be using Highlight Berry right here. I don't know what they name it like that because it's not a highlighter, but this is Highlight Berry. I love this blush right here. It's just so pretty. And I'm using my Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush, but I use it for blush. For highlighter, I'll be using my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold, and I'll be using my Aoa F19 highlighting brush. Now to finish our under eyes at last. So I'll be taking Escape, which is this purpley shade right here. This is the deepest purple, and good thing because I don't have a deep purple in my collection, to be honest, so good thing. I'll be taking that under the lash line. And I am using a Morphe brush from the Isolate collection. I'll be taking this Morphe Y22 and taking that pink shade, hot pink shade again, which is Skip. This paper is getting on my nerves. I'll be blending that in also with the purple shade. Same flat top brush. I'm gonna be taking a little bit of that black shade, putting that straight onto close to my waterline. Oh snap, that is dark. And going back in with my Y22. Better. My waterline, I'll be going in with this, I can't even pronounce the name, but this is from BoxyCharm. It is a glitter black liner. I've been loving this black liner lately, even though it has glitter, but I do like it. I'm gonna use my Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara for my lashes, top and bottom lashes. For lashes, I'll be taking my E11 from AliExpress. I am doing a full haul type of review for these lashes because everybody has been asking me over the lashes, so video coming soon. But I'm gonna be using my Malibu Glitz liquid liner from Shop Miss A, and I'm gonna just go ahead and do a simple liner just to hide the lashes, so nothing crazy. Okay, so for brow bone highlight, I'll be using the shade right here. I'll be taking it in a Morphe 213 brush. Oh, this color is so beautiful. inner corner, I'll be going in with my Morphe 149 brush. I'll be taking the color Playground, which is this bluish shade right here. I'll be using that as my inner corner highlight. So for lips, I'll be using my Aoa Lip Lock in Icon yesterday on my live stream. I think it was Nona who was asking what lipstick I was wearing. It is this one right here. Okay guys, so this is pretty much noisy neighbors. This is pretty much what it looks like. I'm so impressed on the shadows. They are amazingly pigmented. I'm gonna show you the red shade, the blue shade, and the pink shade, since I did not swatch any of them. Red shade, it is my most favorite one of all, with that blue shade and that red shade and that pink shade are awesome. I really love the outcome of this eye look, though it's not my idea, but still, that's the whole reason I recreated this look, because I love this look. So beautiful. It's just amazing. I love the shadows. They are so creamy, so blendable, and I used concealer and it came out fine for me. So yeah, sister said that to use some other products, but this is what I had on hand and this is what I loved, and it worked for me, and everything blended out so well. These shadows are so pigmented. I'm going to pick up a second one. I did not pick up the brushes because, like I said, I am purchasing my camera, so I'll be purchasing the brushes once they come back in stock, because they're out of stock. If not, I won't have a place to order already. But I do highly recommend this palette. This is such an amazing palette. If you're a beginner like me, you are going to love this palette. It is amazing. I love it. I need to purchase a second one. I hope it's not limited edition, because I'll be dead. But other than that, guys, I hope y'all enjoy this video and my semi review on the James Charles palette. So sister likes it. And yeah, guys, if I have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and I hope you stay to join the Pink Squad fam. Other than that, guys, I love y'all so much, and I'll go ahead and see y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.